Hi Dave, my name is Jeff and I'm a co-founder of Lobo Leads, and I believe you spoke with my wife Megan recently about a video to provide some tips and insight into digital marketing for Dave's Electrical Services. I did do a quick Google search for your website and I wasn't able to locate anything specifically for it. Really the only things that come up are your Angie's listing, Yelp, LinkedIn, and then you have your Google My Business over here. So since you don't have a website for your business, I wanted to send you this quick video to show you what your competition is doing and how developing a digital marketing presence can have a huge benefit for your business, particularly when it comes to gaining new customers. So the three things I wanted to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. Content is going to be anything on the front page of your site that Google can read. So all the text on the front page, all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page. And you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking for things like electrician Corpus Christi, lighting Corpus Christi, and other keywords along those lines, so that when anyone types in those searches into Google, your website will pop up. Now, just take a quick look here. I'm going to try running that search for electrician Corpus Christi, and one of the first ones that come up here is Bud Electric, that I'm sure you've heard of. So as you can see, several pictures on here. All these have content, and all the text through here is content. And as you can see, they definitely are not hitting that 1,500 to 2,000 words of content mark. So that is something that you could actually excel past them for this. So this is where a customized business website would really shine. Because you can then include things like customer testimonials, links to social media pages, pictures of previous projects, all those different things combined together create an environment for your future customers and visitors to your site to trust you and to build your reputation. So I did want to take a look at, again, Bud Electric. That was just a quick example. I did also want to show you what makes Bud Electric so successful, and it's something called backlinks. The thing to Google is that it can be a popularity contest because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. So it's very important to remember not all backlinks are created equal. So you're going to get a lot more power and influence from a backlink from something that is related to your industry, like an electrician blog that mentions your company, or a popular website that features various types of home services, again related to you. You're going to get a lot more power and influence from that as opposed to, say, your local Domino's pizza. A tool that we use to measure backlinks and their quality is something called Ahrefs. And again, since we don't have one website specifically for you, I went ahead and did your competition, again, Bud Electric. And so as you can see here, they have 225 backlinks coming from 36 different domains. That means there are 36 different websites pointing back to Bud Electric 225 times. And what that does is it builds trust for Google, builds the reputation of the website, and therefore allows it to rank higher whenever people search for things like electrician Corpus Christi. And what that does is, you can see here, they have organic traffic of 95. That means that there are 95 people over the past month that have visited the website. And so even if you're able to convert a handful of those into paying customers, then you're seeing a lot more revenue come towards your business. Last thing I want to talk to you about today is something called citations. Now, going back here to that search for electrician Corpus Christi, this is a very common search. And you'll notice that the first thing that pops up here is this map-looking thing. This is called a Google Map Pack. And one of the things that makes it so powerful is the amount of real estate it takes up on here. Real estate is very important because it means how far do people have to scroll to get to where they, eventually land on a link. This map pack takes up a lot of that real estate. So how do you get up into these top spots? Well, it's through something called citations. And it's very, very simple. All it is the name, address, and phone number of your business listed across the various directories on the web. One of the first ones that you see right here is BBB, Yelp. There's white pages, yellow pages, Home Advisor, Angie's List, or Angie Now. And so there's hundreds of them out there. The more of those that you have, the higher up you will rank here. And it's best to try to get to that #1 spot, because 70% of the people that click into this end up clicking on that first spot. So one of the strategies that we typically employ for our clients, or that we suggest, is going in, taking a look at the backlinks and the referring domains that your competitor has, replicating those for you, and then adding a 20 to 30% buffer of high quality backlinks. That way you not only are above and well above your competition, by the time they even realize what's happening and try to catch up, you're already way too far ahead. And as long as you're adding backlinks along the way, it'll be very, very, very difficult to catch you. And so you'll be getting all that organic traffic going to your website as opposed to someone else. So if you have any questions or would like to discuss it any further, this is our website, Lobo Leads Marketing, and this is the contact number for Megan to reach back out to. Hope you learned something, and have an excellent rest of your day.